Kung hindi naman kitang-kitang yung lugar, the best way is for you to go online.
Meron po kaming business dati. I think graphic design and stickers. Kaso 2 buwan pa lang po nagsara na dahil mahina po ang pwesto namin. Kaya sa bahay na lang kami. Papaano po kaya namin ito mapapalago kahit nasa bahay lang?
Anong klaseng story niya?
Graphic design, I guess, and stickers.
Alam mo, kung may negosyo kang graphics, design and stickers, kung hindi naman kitang-kitang yung lugar, the best way is for you to go online. Kailangan lang present ka sa online, hopefully sa Google AdWords or Google Search, ikaw yung parating na sa first page pag nag-type ang mga taong graphic designs online or graphic designs, no, ikaw ang unang papasok, so you can provide the service. Especially kasi lightweight ang produkto mo. When you say lightweight, stickers lang siya, papel lang siya, alam mo, ang dali i-deliver nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, hindi ganun kataas ang delivery cost kasi nga stickers lang po siya. So very important na kailangan po you make yourself visible sa internet and then put your designs on the internet para makita ng mga tao mga design. Number 2, create a testimony parang page of mga satisfied customers and clients who have already purchased from you. Yan ang isa pang pinaka best way. And number 3, ang pinaka also maganda, magbigay ka rin ng promo in terms of pricing. If you buy X amount, may free kang services na ganito. Or if not naman, if you order this amount, yung graphic design mismo, wala ka ng charge. Ika nga, pag layout, pag design, libre na siya. I think you can get a lot of customers.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.